Okay, good morning everyone. My name is William Riescos. I'm an English student from the National Open English University. The topic for today is about grammar lesson. How to use there is with happen and in, there are with quantifier. Note: use there is for noun in singular and use there are for a noun in plural. Objective: learn to master the use of there is and there are in all three forms, affirmative, negative, and interrogative, to improve the performance in learning English. Material to support the process: pictures or flashcards. How to use there is with, up, and am. There is means in Spanish I. Refers something in singular. Structure for positive form: there is plus up or and plus singular noun plus complement. Example: there is a book on the table, as we see in this picture. Another example: there is an apple. In this case, we use and because the noun apple begins with a vowel. A structure for negative form: there is plus not or isn't plus up or and plus noun plus complement. Example: there is not a book on the table, or there isn't a book on the table. Another example: there is not an apple in the basket. A structure for an interrogative form: is there plus up or and plus noun plus complement plus question mark. Example: is there a book on the table? Possible answer: yes, there is, or yes, there is a book on the table. For a negative answer: not, there is not, or not, there isn't. How to use there are with number or quantifier. There are means in Spanish I. Refers something in plural. Structure for positive form: there are plus number or quantifier plus plural noun plus complement. Example: there are 12 eggs in the fridge. Another example: there are some eggs in the fridge, or there are many eggs in the fridge. A structure for negative form: there are plus not or aren't plus number plus or ain't plus plural nouns plus complement. Example: there are not or there aren't 12 eggs in the fridge. For a negative statement: there aren't any eggs in the fridge. A structure for interrogative form: are there plus number or quantifier plus plural nouns plus complements plus question mark. Example: are there 10 eggs in the fridge? Another example, are there any eggs in the fridge? Possible answer, yes, there are. No, there aren't. Note, we can use some and any for countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. We use some for positive statement. Example, there are some people at home. And for a negative statement or question. Example, there aren't any people at home. Any for question. Are there any people at home? Uncountable nouns. Positive form. There is some water in the bottle, as you see in this picture. For a negative statement, there isn't any water in the bottle. Practice. Individual activities. The idea is that students, according to the information that they have with the topic, they can identify errors in complete sentences. Complete the gaps. Example, there, space, some apple in the basket. Another example, space, 2 breads on the basket. The last one, there is space, book on the desk. Correct the errors. There is some book on the table. Next, is there some sugar in the glass? The last one, there are a boy on the street. Production. In this stage, students are able to master the topic without help by the teacher. Students are able to write, there aren't any water. There is a book on the table. There are some apples in the basket. There isn't any sugar in the glass. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.